Some people in the we hit record button now.
I already did.
It's all right.
Good job.
Some people had wanted to know how it went the other night at the Poetry Club on Wednesday. I'll let y'all be the judge of that. I'm pretty sure it went really well.
Huh?
Oh.
What was that at? Gino?
Hey, Gino, yeah.
You want to come here to talk?
Poetry? This guy he said, okay. Poet. That was Roger Martin. What happened? Oh, I'll do the video. We need to start over. All right, so, yeah. All ready? This is called Decisions. Yeah, Decisions. Ready? It goes, I can't stop thinking about you each and every day. It's like I want to switch out my mind, but the thoughts won't go away. I sit and wonder to myself, what has she done to me? Is there some type of curse, or does she have a profound effect on me? Whatever it is, I don't know what to do. Do I try to suppress my feelings, or do I let them come through? I'm so blew away and torn at the same time. My heart says one thing, but so does my mind. I've never made a decision that's ever been this hard. Either I forget or I don't. It's never been this hard. I'm still so confused on what to do. So in the effort to move on, I try to forget about you. But if these thoughts keep reoccurring, then I know that it's real. And that's all the confirmation I need. Sit still. Mr. Poetic Justice. Yeah. Mr. Poetic Justice.